This factory told me they are a professional manufacturer of power generators, but I don't trust claims like that, so I went to Taizhou in China to verify everything myself, and what I found might surprise you. And this is the factory that I'm planning to visit now. It's 5:30 now and some of them are off work, but I actually didn't have time. I was visiting another factory. If you are sourcing products from overseas, one mistake in choosing the wrong supplier can cost you thousands or even destroy your business. That's why I personally visit factories, inspect their operations, and verify everything before working with them. And in this video, I'm taking you inside a real factory in Taizhou, China, from their office all the way to their production line. You okay?
Yeah.
Happy to see you.
Yeah. You can take photos of sales office.
Great.
Yeah, all these things.
So good.
For different countries. This is the bison.
The market?
Yeah. Bison market. Bison region.
South America,
Yeah.
North America.
Yeah.
Great.
So for American, our products is for the high pressure water and the flower scraper.
Yeah,
Yes.
great.
For South America, mostly with the one bone and the generators.
So good.
Yeah.
What about Africa and
Saudi.
so good. And also some Europe.
Yeah.
Great. What about Middle East?
Yeah.
Saudi Arabia, Iraq,
Yeah.
India, Pakistan. So good.
This is my boss. Yeah, Coco.
Great.
It's Coco, my boss.
Hi Coco. Nice to meet you. Hi.
伊朗的一个客户。
Hi, how are you doing? Are you okay? Happy to see you.
对，他在义乌，在义乌，然后他帮他的客户过来看看我们生产。对。
你可以说中文吗？
可以。
厉害。
So I just arrived at the factory. First thing, I met with their team. Professional, polite, organized, everything you would expect. But here's the truth. A good office doesn't mean a good factory. Anyone can create a nice looking front. So I needed to dig deeper. We started from their office. This is where communication happens. Sales, support, documentation. It's important, but this is not where quality is proven. The real story always starts beyond this point. Next, they showed me their showroom. Different types of power generators and other machines, and at the first glance everything looked solid. But here's something most people don't realize. Showrooms only display the best version of the product, so you should never make decisions based only on this. After that, we moved to the warehouse. This is where things start to get real. You can see how products are stored, how inventory is managed, and how ready they are for bulk orders. A well-organized warehouse usually indicates a factory that understands logistics and scale. Now here's where things get interesting. I arrived a bit late, around 6 p.m., and most workers had already left. The factory was quiet and a bit dark, and honestly, this is actually one of the best times to inspect a factory. Because now there is no staging, no fake production lines running just for visitors, and what you see is real. Machines, layout, workflow, and everything is exposed. They explain their full production process. It starts with raw materials, metal components are cut, shaped, and prepared, then assembly begins. Engines, frames, internal systems, and after that comes wiring, calibration, and system integration. And finally, testing, making sure every unit performs before it leaves the factory.
现在他们下班了是吗？
对，下班了。他们下班也要早 水泵。
This is water pump line.
This is for water pump。动力是在那边生产，动力生产好了之后，然后进行每一台测试，每一台测试完了之后，那边有个强化测试，强化测试完了再拉到这边，然后进行组装水泵。组装完水泵之后，然后每一台过到这里，然后再进行测试，然后把泵体压力测试、流量测试都在这个地方进行。
Vacuum cleaner line and floor cleaners and floor sweepers. Yeah. After visiting the factory, they kindly invited me to have dinner together, so we will be having enough time to talk more about business and know each other more for future cooperations. And if you are importing from China and you need someone to visit the factories you are going to pay them and do the QC or quality control for you, and manage all your process of import from China to your country, please visit our website and contact us.